What? Little guy. Oh, you're in the boat. What you got here? How are you, old bastard? Dude. Get out of there. Buddy. Yoo-hoo-hoo. Number 2. All right, little buddy, let's get you out of here. Spotty. Oh. Damn, you're hooked. Spotty. In dub. We rock it in a dub every week here on Sounds of the Caribbean. Hey.
I call it right from stop. Jano.
This is a track dating back to 2003. Mr. Fred Locke and the Sippy Cup Roots crew. Need a little Collier.
Find the man who planned the earth. Don't find a sailor or the smoker of the earth. Some people who are mentally disturbed. The good Collier will settle down their nerves. The Collier, the good Collier. The Collier, the sweet Collier. Collier is the weed of wisdom, found on the grave of King Solomon. Men of used to smoke it to enlighten their spirit. You have to know how to use it, and don't you abuse it. The Guardian, the good
Oh! Ew! All of it! Oh!
It's not man-made. The Guardian, the sweet Guardian. The Guardian, the good Guardian.
Halibut while sailing, baby! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo.
Don't fight the man who planned the earth.
Oh, are you big enough for what?
The smoker of the earth. Some people who are mentally disturbed. The collie herbs will settle down their nerves. The collie herbs, good collie herbs. The collie herbs, the sweet collie herbs. Some you were going through some very hard times, and they were thinking of committing serious crimes. And the rest of man that they could
No measuring tape, that means you're going back. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Look at you!
the Guardian, the sweet Guardian. Watch how you use it.
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo.
For your spiritual meditation.
Yeah!